Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a beginner or an intermediate level user of Autodesk Revit, then this course is for you only. So make sure to watch all the videos and share with your friends and colleagues who are interested to learn Autodesk Revit. As you can see, currently I am using Autodesk Revit 2024 version. So if you have a similar version, then it's fine. But if you have a more recent versions, then I hope there are not many changes in the user interface of this software. So without delaying further, let's get into it.